Hello guys, a new mining app. It's simple. It's watching a video and get points. These points will be converted into money. You must understand one thing. The Withrow icon will be unlocked when your account is verified. You must log in with your Facebook or your Google account. Like you see, this is the homepage of the application. The link will be in the first comment and also in the description. Like you see, you watch video, and in this case like that, like you see, this is
أهلا بكم إلى عدد جديد من برنامج جنايات.
like you see, when you see a video, this cursor, excuse me, we scroll down to you go to the second, you see video. You can let the video repeat and repeat without any interaction of you. And in this treasure, it will collect for you treasure. You can let at night this app works to collect coins from treasure. This is the invitation code, will be in the description. It must be invited. Like you see, this is the rewards. Like you see, I have 10 treasure. You will get by watching a video. It's simple. You open your treasure like that. You collect many treasure. You can collect 100 and open at all. You can also maximize your earning. You have spins. Like see, watch video and get coins. There is lottery, but we use also this 2-1. You can claim every day in here. Like you see, I claimed successfully. This is my account. I have 8,015 coins. Like you see, it's simple. Also, you can get these coins by tapping here and collecting coins. Let's see how it's work. We just let this video. Like you see, the collecting of treasure is started. You can let this video repeat and repeat. It repeats itself. This is the application of the day. You collect rewards. It's simple. Nothing is complicated. Also, you can get VIP member. Like we see, you can redeem your coins to watch video without ads. After collecting coins by watching video in section video, the video will repeat itself and collect for you treasury. This treasury you can get here and collect every time coins. You can let work every night and get more and more coins. The Withrow icon, it will be in the here, but it's not unlocked. You must wait after the admins of the application review your account and activate this option. Don't worry, it will be activated. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another video.